connected or but it is connected right to jam lo ena le sibile tla mena disconnected
not disconnected
emanyane Sanbonan lapho. Sanbonan guys. Sanbonan, I hope you guys are good. Felubuza if music uyazwakala inetwork njani esayidini. We are just testing out before singaletha igest ithulana. Before igest yethiza lana kumele si test ukuthi network yethu right. Network ngani ngitshela ukuthi isound yakhala. Sanbonan dumelang igest yethu seyikhona bafethu ne igest yethu seyikhona we just used internet connection different, so I'm just checking ukuthi sound right and also ne network ukuthi right before singaletha igest yethu ngapha. If yonke into right ngicela ama 5 emoji nicho video. Easy beat mfano zoba keep in touch. Piki moti tali kesi pass. Easy beat kanti unufuna ba. Look at it. Ubuye na masita manga mwe. Ingi mfuna matuke. Mfuna kwa makeba kwa sispe. Kema 357 Dome nabatwana ba 11 Sizobabona sebavulise Mamphethi izinja zami thina siphele Lebathi 357 Dome nabatwana ba 11 Sizobabona sebavulise Mamphethi izinja zami thina siphele
Ayitume ngama-punch bathi sarhel physical lyrical bayazi chibu general satela amayitwaya waya sekucritical nale nambi sanokudlalwa ama-criminal two-clint yazini serheloliwe seshubini kasilvuyile drip to clean wadihitifezasentiyamancane zifuyile apikipiki mabelani salatekana matikeli phansi kimi yamaterana sebagcwele bathi lilke ugeneral phethi izinhlaba wonke sadeshina two-clint yazini serheloliwe seshubini kasilvuyile drip to clean wadihitifezasentiyile
Basi Oza ngifuna ukuchecka something lana mzala
bathubile umancane zifuyile
Unable and capable, hey, able, disabled, unable and capable. Easy, that talks some animal. Illegally, international, influential, able, disabled, unable and capable. Able, disabled, unable and capable.
Angitingi ukusondela ngithi like
uzofaka ama headset so that uzo ivoice yakho ukuthi sound kanjani yabona yes
but I'm so serious le ndaba yakho
awumzala uthi ngiyadlala mina
mzala like bengabukela ama live wakho but I didn't think like you it's a whole thing
serious mzala so angithi manje
studio
angithi phela khona I live mangiyi-one it's just a live like mangibuke just any other live but mangi-invite i-guest it's something different kumele kahle bekumele sihlale laphayana size le mic nale mic leyana like a podcast
wait manje live already
yes hayi manje sisenza i-build up nayi inamba yabantu abakhona so far lana
but like they can see me
yes bayakuza yabo i-network injani bengisachecka i-network yabona kahle because siceda ukufaka this wifi lena
so manje ngihlale or
no bengifuna ukubona ukuthi yona ungahlala ngalaso kancane sisalungisa maybe ungathola sekunane nering yomshado khona la you never know zothaya sikulethela indoda
Ngona ubonise mina wenza njani ubasunyamaza
live uphile
ungasondela but already sing live
it's fine ngiyazi basiyakhohla
uthanda ukukhohla ubazi no bengifuna ukubheka just i-height yesitulo sakhe ukuthi makahleli lana i-mic izohlala kahle like la emlomeni wakhe and also network glitch okay sharp ilayitile nthonyana okay guys ngizoshintsha i-lighting ne ngizoshintsha i-network so ngicela nibe patient kancane that is why bengingafuni ukuthi ngibize abantu sheba TikTok king ubatlo etsa match onaje aya manyana ndane rata nyonyobela nyepso atse mfana enhle kusandel
so khona new town abayi osabuka osikawukela
okay 5G okay team connecting a 5G nyeps kubo disconnect phone now lisibuda kara okay connected this is the network esisebenzisa every day bafethu it has to work properly le ile network esisebenzisa every day nyeps tlamelo disconnect phone yawo le ntwana kara okay ngibona ngathi ngidark nyana lento ay le nto eVodacom le izongihlupha but ya ngale ngara ngijwayele ukuyispanisa ngasho kanjalo yabo
ubona abantu ababhaya masaspanisa le yini loop ngizobathi strong not sure
yabona i-Wi-Fi strong Yivuma out yami. Yabona fiber, anything in a fiber. Bafethu, if inetwork right ngicela ama 5 emoji ni teach your video. If inetwork right ngicela ama 5 emoji ni teach your video siza ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle. If inetwork right ngicela ngiphina ama 5 emoji ngisa checka lapho ukuthi nina kahle kahle right. I am raising funds, Hotman. I'm suffering. But sorry kancane sase busy nyana ne. So nje bafethu asithephe ni screen sharing live. I hope you guys are ready for guest yethu. Ngiphethe ichipi ya dichipi akahambe ayi1 uhamba namanye ama Hotman kanje ayi2. But abathanda ukuvela kakhulu bazovela nje kancane la kunesessary khona. So libelethi incenga. Asithephe ni screen sharing live. Abaziyo ukuthi guest yethu ubani today ngicela bangitshela ukuthi ubani ngicela babhale igama lakhe lapho. Uyajema kancane ngiyazi ku politics phone.
Ngizathi tsekanka ikabe connecta lapho.
Ihlelo nta.
Okay. So, again phone also connect phone any phone.
I think. Yes.
Also ana phone connect.
Yes. No robot disconnect to check agora. Okay.
Dizelio fizika kangazimisela usebenze ngamandla nangokuzikhanda kuze kuyokhaya ngifuna ukuzimela ngibe nento zami ikhaya elifudumele transimangile iPorsche Panamera dada entabeni mhlaba wongapheli salela abantwana mana kancane safuna sibile asekhona amandla siyabona amazwe phesheya kolwandle landela seDubai welikameli ale mahoteli
Itwela nyani nyeps. Yo. iPad. Why ngathi utips bafo? Ngathi akiso ugogo wakho mfana. Wangipha utshwala we. Uyahlanya la ekhanda. 5G. Nyeps kinetwork ke tsanka every day. Sibuya tlamela disconnect eh.
I'm saying I can like everything else got quite disconnected.
Kupo disconnect mfethu kusebenzise. Into happy lighting. Okay, lighting ngiyabona. Bafethu ngicela ukurestata live ne. I'll be back. Angithini angizwa. Ngicela ukurestata live, ngicela ningitshele ukuthi yes makabe niyangizwa. Uba siseka khona we just sorting out indaba zethu lana elentuzaneni. Ane? See. Ting restart